Hello, my friend. I am glad you are here tonight. You are safe. You are loved. You are not alone. Tonight, we will talk about resting your mind. Your body needs rest, your heart needs rest, and yes, your mind needs rest too. Sometimes our minds do not stop. They think and think and think. They repeat old words, they repeat old worries, they make us tired. But tonight, let us practice resting the mind. Let us give your mind peace. Let us give your mind silence. Your mind is like a bird. It flies here, it flies there. It does not stop. Sometimes it flies to yesterday, sometimes it flies to tomorrow. It never stays still. This is why you feel tired. This is why you feel heavy. But you can help the bird rest. You can bring it home. You can let it sit on a safe branch. You can let it be calm. Take a deep breath in. Hold it gently. Now breathe out slowly. When you breathe in, imagine fresh air washing your thoughts. When you breathe out, imagine old worries leaving your head. Breathe in quiet. Breathe out noise. Breathe in peace. Breathe out stress. Every breath gives your mind rest. Every breath makes your thoughts lighter. Once there was a man who walked in a forest. In the trees, many monkeys shouted. They screamed. They argued. They made noise. The man felt nervous. He felt his head hurt. He wanted the monkeys to be quiet. But the monkeys did not stop. Then an old woman said, "Do not fight the monkeys. Sit down, close your eyes. Let the monkeys shout. Do not answer them. Soon they will get tired. Soon they will stop." The man listened. He sat quietly. He did not fight. And slowly, the monkeys became silent. Our mind is like the monkeys. It makes noise. It shouts. It does not stop. But if we sit quietly, if we do not fight, the mind becomes calm. The noise disappears. Close your eyes. Think of your mind like a clear blue sky. Thoughts are like clouds. They pass by. They come, they go. You do not need to catch the clouds. You do not need to push them away. Just watch. Just let them float. Your sky is still there. Your mind is still calm beneath the clouds. Stillness is strong. Stillness is healing. Stillness is soft. You do not need to solve every problem tonight. You do not need to answer every question. You do not need to think of tomorrow. You can be still. You can be quiet. You can rest. A traveler once walked by a lake. The water was dark. The water was moving. The traveler threw a stone. Ripples spread across the surface. But then, the traveler sat and waited. Slowly, the ripples became smaller. Slowly, the water became calm. Finally, the lake was still. The mind is like the lake. When we think too much, ripples appear. But if we sit quietly, if we breathe, the mind becomes calm again. Let us say soft words together. My mind is calm. My thoughts can rest. I do not need to think of yesterday. I do not need to think of tomorrow. I am safe now. I am quiet now. My mind can rest. Repeat these slowly. Let them enter your heart. Your mind does not need to be perfect. Your mind does not need to be empty. It only needs rest. If a thought comes, let it come. If a thought goes, let it go. No fight, no fear, just rest. Close your eyes again. Imagine a small candle in the dark. The flame is soft. The flame is warm. Around the flame, there is silence. Around the flame, there is peace. This candle is your mind. Soft, warm, peaceful. Let it glow. Let it rest. A little bird flew all day. It looked for food. It looked for a home. It was tired. Finally, the bird found a tree. It sat on a branch. It closed its eyes. It rested. The world continued. But the bird slept. And in the morning, the bird was strong again. Your mind is like the bird. It has flown all day. It is tired. It needs rest. Now, let your mind rest. Now, let your mind sleep. Lay down. Close your eyes. Feel your head on the pillow. Feel your body relax. Your feet are soft. Your hands are soft. Your shoulders are soft. Your face is soft. Now, your mind is soft too. It is resting. It is quiet. It is free. See yourself standing in a garden at night. The moon is full. The stars are shining. The air is fresh. You sit under a tree. You close your eyes. You hear nothing but silence. Your mind is calm. Your heart is calm. Your body is calm. You are resting. You are safe. You are free. My friend, tonight your mind can rest. No need to think. No need to worry. No need to solve. You can let go. You can breathe. You can sleep. Rest your mind. Rest your heart. Rest your body. Good night. Sleep deeply. Wake tomorrow with peace,